In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz website in WordPress with an easy and straightforward tutorial. Whether you're an educator looking to make learning fun, or perhaps you're a blogger planning to engage your visitors, creating a quiz website can be a fantastic tool. Let's dive right in, and by the end of this session, you'll have all the know-how you need. First, head over to wordpress.com. If you're new to WordPress, don't worry, it's a user-friendly platform that's perfect for building all sorts of websites with ease. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate the login button. This is typically found at the top right corner. Click on it and get ready to access your site. Now, if you have a Google account, you can speed things up by clicking on Continue with Google. This is a convenient feature that links your Google account with WordPress, eliminating the need to remember another password. A pop-up will appear prompting you to choose your Google account. Select the one you want to use, and voila, you're logged in. Following your successful login, direct your attention to the right panel where you should spot a section labeled Quick Links. Underneath it, click on Edit Site. This takes you to the dashboard, which is essentially your control center for designing and managing your website. With the dashboard open, direct your focus to the top left of your screen where you'll notice an Add button. This button allows you to include new elements or blocks to your site. Click it and a search bar will appear at your disposal. Next, you'll want to type in quiz into that search bar. WordPress will fetch different options related to quizzes. Once you see the quiz block in the results, go ahead and click on it. This option allows you to add and customize quizzes directly onto your page. The next step in creating your quiz involves drafting your questions. Think about your audience and the kind of interaction you wish to solicit. Consider a blend of question types to make your quiz versatile and engaging. Once you have a clear idea, start inputting these questions into your newly added quiz block. This step is crucial as it sets the tone and purpose of your quiz, ensuring it is both educational and entertaining, and that's all it takes to set up a quiz on your WordPress website. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating a dynamic and engaging quiz that can educate, entertain, and engage your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different question types and quiz settings to see what works best. Thank you for joining me today, and happy quizzing!